back to halftime. Let's get to our call of the day. Home Depot and Lowe's are moving lower following downgrades at Telsey Advisory Group. The firm expecting a slightly steeper slowdown related to weak housing trends and cautious consumer spending. Surat, you own Lowe's. These names are reporting soon, so we don't know all the details of the quarter. Downgraded by Telsey. Wells Fargo leans positives on the names. Barclays undecided. What are you thinking?
I mean, I agree. We cut it back to a 1% position, but I still want to hold the stock because I do think timing it is going to be really hard. But you still have demand coming in, especially where interest rates are. People are still doing things to their home. They're still going to go to Lowe's and Home Depot. We like Lowe's just because it's cheaper than Home Depot, but I like both of the companies. I don't think demand's going to go away. And look, we have inflation in this area too. So the companies have pricing power. The question is, how much are they going to do? And we'll see when we get earnings and see what operating leverage you're going to get out of it. I
was going to ask you why Lowe's and not Home Depot. And Link, I think you're in Home Depot.
Home Depot fairly recently, but the stock has lagged. It's only up 3% year to date. I don't think it has a commanding valuation. I understand why Joe did it because the stock's up 17% from
Joe being the analyst at Telsey.
Yeah, and I think it's up 17% from May, so maybe taking some gains short term, but long term I'm with Surat. It's hard to time. In the meantime, these guys are a market share taker. New home sales are the best that we've seen since March of last year, so you do have some momentum there. I like what they're doing in pro. I like what they're doing in e-commerce. The supply chains are going to eventually improve. So all of these headwinds that they had, I actually think go away, and they are again going to take market share. So I like it. If it's weak on the quarter, because it kind of does trade in a weird way when they report earnings.
It does, doesn't it?
Right?
Yeah.
If it's down on the new, I will buy more.
Okay. Bren, what do you make of this call from Telsey?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's a good call. I mean, all you have to do is look at two stocks. Lennar is up 40%. Home Depot is up 3%. So what's the difference? Lennar is selling new homes. Home Depot is selling remodels. The non-new home market has just been locked up. And until we get rate cuts, until that market unfreezes, I think you just want to steer clear. Obviously, it's a wonderful company, but I just think from a timing perspective, you're going to have to wait till rate cuts and that existing home market opens up, and that's when you're going to be able to re-enter that. But until then, I mean, the Lennars and the Hortons are where the play is, and your people are just not shopping at Home Depot when you buy a new house. You're going to Best Buy or other places to buy electronics, TVs, et cetera.
Interesting point. Josh, you own Invitation Homes. You're not necessarily here in Home Depot or Lowe's.
No, but those have been good investments over the years. I prefer Invitation Homes because it's very specifically a play on the desire on the part of mostly millennials who want to live in a nice neighborhood but can't necessarily justify the mortgage cost to do so these days. And there really isn't any inventory out there. So Invitation Homes in the top housing markets in the country, they own single-family homes. It's not apartments, it's houses in beautiful neighborhoods, and they offer people who are trying to get their lives started the opportunity to rent one of those homes rather than have to buy it, which makes a lot of sense right now. There are only 2 of these pure plays publicly traded. I think Invitation Homes is substantially undervalued. I own it in my IRA so that I am not paying ordinary income on the distributions, and that's the way that I would recommend people do REITs in general. But I think this thing's going much higher in the coming years.